Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. So today in this video, let's talk about the referral points in the referral module of Odoo 18. Imagine you're working in an organization and your organization is having a job hunt, which means they're hiring for any specific job position. Simultaneously, your friend is also looking for a job and you think this friend might be suitable for the particular hiring which is taking place in your organization. What you're going to do next? You're going to you're going to refer that particular friend, right? So this will do benefit for you in future. How? If you refer this person, you will be gaining points through Odoo 18, okay? And in future, these points can be converted to rewards. So let me show you how this is done using the referral module. Now let me show you how to earn the referral points. For that, first you have to open the referrals module. Okay, so here in the referrals, you can see the referrals count, the ongoing ones, the successful ones and all. So let's go to view jobs and refer a friend. So here in the view jobs, you have different job positions like the experienced developer, marketing and community manager and all. So for each job position, you have different points as well. And you have a lot of icons here corresponding to each of them. So I'm going to click on, that is the experienced developer I'm choosing, and click on share now. So a link is being copied. Now let's go to the chat and I'm going to send the link to Mark Demo. Okay, so just by clicking on the link, you can actually apply from here. You can give a different name and apply from here. So I'm just going to apply. Right now our point was 122. And here you have to fill out the application form. So the name has to be changed from here. So I'm just changing the name to something else. So let it be John. Okay. And here I'm changing the mail ID to @gmail.com. And the phone number also I'm changing to a different number. Okay. So here I'm giving a LinkedIn profile. And here you have to choose a file. Okay. So I'm putting a sample resume. And short introduction, everything can be given here. So here you have to simply click on I'm feeling lucky, which is applying for the job. So this has been applied. You can see a congratulation message and all. So take a look around our website. So I'm not going deeper into that. Let's go back to the referral module. So here is the referrals. If you open that, you can see right now the referrals count has changed to 3. So open the referrals here. You can see different people who have applied for it. So John Doe is the one which we created right now. He's in the initial, he's currently in the new states. That's the reason why he is having 0 points. So you can see for each stage what the points are. So the thing is experienced developer. Okay, let's go to the recruitment and let's view for the job which is experienced developer. So you can see one new application has come. So click on that one new application which is John Doe. And for each stage, you can see if you click on this gear icon and click on edit, you can see the points for this is 5. So similarly for each stage, different points are there. Okay. Right now I'm dragging and dropping him to the initial qualification stage. So let's see if there is any change in the points. So our point was 122. Now it has changed to 127. So if you go to the referrals here, you can see he's in initial stage, which is 5 points. So let's now dropping to the other stage. So for that, if you go to the experienced developer, new applicants are not there because he's changed to the initial qualification. Now I'm going to put him to the first interview. I'm marking him as the excellent person. So now if you go and take a look at the referrals, you can see the point have changed to 137. And under the referral, you can see John Doe, he's in ongoing state. He has reached the first interview. Now let's complete it to contract proposal. So as you reach the contract proposal, let's see how much the change in, the points are. So here's the experienced developer. This is John Doe. I'm going back to application. It's drag and drop him. Okay. So he's going to the second interview stage where he'll be getting, let's see how many points, 15 points. and I'm going to drop him to the contract proposal. Okay, so now let's see what the status of the points is. Going back to the referrals. So here you can see the point have changed to 172. Okay, and if you go and check here, he is right now in the contract proposal. So once he sign it, what happens is that this person gets hired. So out of 150 points, we've already gained by referring this person. Now if you go back to the recruitment and change a stage to contract signed. So here we have John Doe. I'm just opening this. As you can see, this person is hired right now. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, so here you can see John Doe has been hired. So choose an avatar for your new friend. So you referred this person, and because of that, this person is hired right now. So you can choose a new avatar for your friend. Okay, so I'm choosing this avatar. So right now you can see in the referral, whoever you have referred, that person can be viewed over here. Okay, so if you go to the referral, you can see this person is hired. So let's hire one more person. Let's see Mark Demo. So I'm going to change him to contract signed, which is for Chief Executive Officer. Okay, so now this person has 222 points. Okay, going to the recruitment, and you can see this is the application which we have, dropping into initial qualification, first interview. Like we have to drop on each second interview, contract proposal, and I'm going to hire this person, which is contract signed. So he's hired right now. Now let me show you how it looks like. Go to the referrals. Again, they'll be asking for us to choose an avatar for this person. So I'm choosing this. So right now you can see 2 people you've hired. I mean, not you have hired, but 2 people have got job by just like you have referred those people and they've been hired. So obviously you will be getting the gain. So right now your point is 322. If you go to the referrals and see, you can see that there are 2 people with hired label which you referred. Okay, so this is how easily you can gain the referral points, and these points can be configured from the recruitment itself. If you go to the recruitment and if you're taking this marketing and community manager, okay, so if you take a single stage and click on edit, you can choose the points over here. So you can set a point here. Likewise, for each stage, points can be set, and based on the points which we give, that will be the gain to the person who have referred the employee, okay, or referred the candidate. So that's how simply you can manage the referral points in Odoo 18. So that's how you can easily configure the referral points. I hope that's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.